Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexandra, and today I'm going to be doing a evening routine spring edition. It is 5:40. I got ready because we're going to go work out, either go for a run or go to the gym. The gym is kind of packed right now, so either we wait it out or we go for a run outside and just do our own workout. I'm going to make some rice for today's dinner. We're going to make chipotle rice, so I'll show you guys what it looks like, but let's start making dinner and then we'll probably finish after the workout. I'm trying to stretch. We're actually gonna go for a run. I just finished making dinner, but Caesar's gonna make like the salsa. We're gonna eat when we come back. I wanted to add a oil to my hair. I've been trying out this one by SINBONO, Latina owned brand, I believe. This is a heritage scalp remedy oil. So remedio ancestral para el cuero cabelludo. I've been using this and just kind of letting it sit there. I have greasy hair, so like I like how my hair has been doing, but like after a few days it gets greasy overall. So honestly, I don't know if oils are good for me. I've just been like trying them out. If you happen to know though, let me know if I should not apply oils to my hair, since I do have like greasy scalp. When I wash my hair, like it's fine, but then like on second day it starts getting oily, but like that's always been my case. My hair is super long. I've been trying out this new shampoo and conditioner, and that's gonna be a separate video for you guys because I want to do like a review on that. Once I finish the bottle, I want to make the video, so I've just been getting like footage here and there. This is how my hair is right now. You can't even see the end right now. I'm just gonna do a quick little braid. We're gonna run around the neighborhood. It's probably not gonna be very long because whenever we do runs, it's only like a mile or two. I also have asthma or like allergies, I don't know what to call it. I have an inhaler, so I should be okay, but I've noticed that running outside is really hard when it comes to like my breathing. I start squealing, like my lungs start squealing, which is not good. So we usually just run for a mile or two and then we come back home. I really want my braid to be super long. That's also part of why I want my long hair, is because I want to have just like a super long braid. That is the hair. I'm gonna reapply some sunscreen. I'm gonna be using this one. I worked with Just Beauty on a paid collab and it was amazing because I really love this brand, this sunscreen specifically. I haven't really tried any of their other products, but this sunscreen I really love. I'm just reapplying it because it is so hot. I took Leo for a short walk and it was really hot. We have tried taking Leo on a run before, but it kind of slows us down because he likes to smell things, and then he also has to go potty. So I think we'll just take him out after. This hat I got from Peru. This top, workout top, is super cute. I am not the biggest fan of it like running up though. I feel like it moves up a lot when like I move a lot, but I love it. I think it's so cute. It's from Halara. I did a video with them a while ago. I will add my discount code down below. My leggings are just Lululemon, and I'm gonna wear my New Balance running shoes. So I will see you soon. I keep using different things to put you on because I have no idea where my tripod is. We ran like a mile and something, I think. I've been using Strava. I don't know if like a lot of people use that. I only have one friend that uses it. She's the one that showed me about it, but it's this one right here, and it's orange in case you're interested or looking for like a running app or whatever. I know I've heard of like Nike, I think, has one too. I look like a tomato. So we ran a mile 62. I did it in like 10 minutes and 30 minutes. 10 and 30. I want Saturdays to be like my hiking days, which me and Caesar agreed we would like try to go hiking every Saturday unless we really have like something else. That has been really nice. We've been hiking a lot. Whenever like the gym is full or whenever we don't want to drive to the gym, it's always better to just run around here. Kind of got like a path already that we got going that's like almost 2 miles, like a mile and 60 or so. So I'm gonna rest for a little bit, but I'm gonna take Leo out because he probably needs to. Light. Caesar finished making dinner. It looks so good. I'm so excited. This is a Chipotle bowl, but like at home. Basically, we found this recipe on Reels, I think. Sometimes we'll just find recipes and we'll just send it to each other, mainly me. It has black beans, chicken, and rice. I still look a little bit red, but I just put a sweater on here so my back doesn't get wet. And we are going to watch our current favorite show, De Viaje con los Derbez. If you are Latina or Latino, then you probably know the Derbez, but he has a show and I really like it. We are obsessed with it. Also, we're gonna finish these probably today because there's not a lot left. These are the veggie and flaxseed corn tortilla chips. And I've started taking these new vitamins. These are the women's multivitamin. I found these on Amazon, so I will link these down below if you're interested. I think I've been taking them for a week or two, I think. But yeah, thought I would try these instead of the gummy ones and just change it up. You already had dinner. It is now 8:40 and I'm about to clean up the kitchen a little bit, also pack our lunches. We usually cook like enough for next day's lunch, so we eat the same thing. So I'm gonna pack our lunches and also clean up, have some dishes to wash. just finishing up getting ready for bed. I'm gonna apply this toner. This is by Bonita's Cosmetic. I've been trying this one out, as you can tell. I already washed my face in the shower, so I don't like to wash my face twice because my face can be really dry. Let me know if you want like a skincare routine, like a morning or night skincare routine. Leave a comment down below if you would like that. I'm gonna apply this Fenty Skin. I think I've showed you guys this before. One of my favorite products is this Stoic Beauty ultra light hydrating oil serum for sensitive skin. Small business, and this is my second little bottle. I love this. It's like an oil and it just feels so hydrating on my skin. I love it so much because I've been having such dry skin and it smells so good. I feel like it's very moisturizing. I believe I have a discount code, so I will put it on the screen or put in the link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and definitely leave a comment down below letting me know what is one essential thing in your night or evening routine. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.